Good afternoon, it's Gary from BitOnIron.com, coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2003 Kenworth T800H highway tractor. It is a heavy spec unit. It has 1,461,000 kilometers and 17,163 engine hours on its Cummins 525 horsepower engine. It also has an N14 Select Plus with Pittsburgh power. It does come equipped with an engine brake and an Eaton Fuller 18-speed transmission, RTLO 1891B, and a Dana Spicer 4-speed A-Box 1241D auxiliary transmission. The front axle rating is 12,000 pounds and the rear 46,000 pounds. The suspension on the front is spring and on the rear it's air. The rear axle ratio is 4.11. The wheelbase is 212 inches. It has a double high-rise sleeper, 60 inches. Tire size on the front is 11R 24.5, and on the rear axles 22.5. Has aluminum wheels in and out all the way around, and it has double fuel tanks, 120 and 135 gallons. We're going to do a general walk around of the unit, and then we're going to come up close for a tight inspection and look at the condition of the truck. Appears to be a light blue or baby blue color. We are losing a little bit of light here. It's getting cloudy. Hopefully we'll be able to see most of the truck. And we've done a general walk around of the unit. Let's come up close and take a look. Start here with a grill. Appears to be in great condition. And let's just pan up on the passenger side of the truck. Follow the bumper over to the driver's side. Appears to be in good condition. I'm just going to go through the hood here. And let's come up to the air cleaner, looking for any kind of dents. And it's in good shape. We'll take a look at the mirrors for any cracks and pitting. There's just some slight pitting in the tops. The overview mirror is in good shape. Stairs are nice and level. And the exhaust housing is in good shape. I'm going to take a look at the second fuel tank here. It's aluminum, a slight dent in it, but not damaged. We're just going to scan the exterior of the sleeper. And we're not seeing any major body damage at all, just a few nicks and scratches. Back of the unit is in good shape, and the deck is nice and level. We're going to take a look at the tires here. We'll do the front, of course, later when the hood is up. Let's go to axle 2. Tires are in good shape. Lots of life left in those. We go to axle 3. And lots of life in these too. And I'm just going to pan under the frame here. You can see the air suspension. Because of the fender, I can't pan all the way. And we're going to come up to the back of the frame here. Let's take a look at the cross members. Nice and straight. Fifth wheel, nicely greased. I'm not seeing any sign of any leaks underneath. And this appears to be spray paint. It is not a leak. We're on the driver's side of the unit here. We're going to start with axle number 3 and take a look at these wheels. Again, aluminum rims inside and out. And consistent tire wear in good shape. And axle number 2. And the inside tire all consistent. I'm going to give you a little bit of a look here on this side. Again, you can see the suspension. It's the most I can get in here with the fender. Steps on the driver's side are perfectly level. All the hookups are in order. And just a little bit of delamination here in the back of the sleeper. Let's take a look at the main fuel tank. Steps are nice and level. And no dents. We'll pan up the sleeper here. Everything's in good condition. A very minor dent right here, very small. The steps up to the cab, nice and level. And I'm going to take a look at the exhaust housing. Of course, it's dual exhaust. No dents, and nice and tight. Driver's side air cleaners, perfect shape. Just take a quick look at the mirrors. No cracks, minor pitting. And the hood is in good shape. Perfect condition. Let's take a look at the cab. And we'll just scan the gauges here. This is a manual odometer reading for hours and kilometers. Everything looks perfect condition. And you have full diff locks. There's the transmission here. And we're going to take a look in the back. Back into the sleeper unit. It is a double. is a little darker back here, but you will see it very clearly with the photos. And we're going to give you just an overview of the cab here from the back. Now I'm going to start the unit. And we're going to take a look under the hood. And I will show you the tires. And we'll take a look. Driver's side tire. In good condition. Motor is sounding really nice. Come up to the driver's side wheel here. Lots of light play. There you have it. A good piece of iron from bitiron.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.